Hey there, signing in as I work from home. So lately, mostly in the last 1 year, we've suddenly seen LinkedIn getting flooded with so many posts. And ever wondered why that is so? Mostly it's because people are looking for more attention so that they can sell you something or so that they can get more clients. The attention economy is growing, the creator economy is growing, and just like people are trying to get more and more visibility on LinkedIn, tomorrow it might be some other source, but the main area from wherever you get the attention can lead to a better conversion is if you can have your own website, and on your website a strong landing page using which you can explain what you do. And I just wanted to explain, like, I don't know what I'm doing with my own website. Probably I'll slowly define it with time, but I want to show you how you can build landing pages very quickly, like in 2 minutes, 5 minutes, using Elementor. Now, how to build a WordPress website is something which everybody pretty much knows. It's just out there. I just want to show you how you can build a simple landing page really quickly, because a lot of people, even though they know WordPress, they are not able to design good looking landing pages. So let me just show that to you so that you can do it very quickly. It hardly takes 2 to 5 minutes to build a structured landing page. And ideally what you want to do is, whatever you do, like the skills you have, whatever you want to sell, you can highlight it in the heading section, and you can use a landing page to explain what you do or showcase your portfolio, something like that. And using that, whatever is the source from where you're getting the traffic, maybe LinkedIn, maybe Instagram, maybe whatever else, you can get that audience to your website and start building a more structured sales funnel with which whatever you want to sell or whatever you want to explain, you can start engaging with them better. And these people also, then they can start visiting your website more and more to get more structured updates from you. So getting down to it, it's very simple. Right now I have installed Elementor. You can get it from the plugins. Just in the plugin section on WordPress, you can go here, search for add a new plugin, and you can just search for Elementor, and I have installed it, it's active. So then once you come to Elementor, it will ask you some very basic things that you just need to create an Elementor account and link it with Elementor. Even if you don't do it at this step, it's okay, it will do that later on. Now once you come to your website and whichever homepage you've set or whichever page you're trying to build, so this option will start showing up there. Now what I'll do to show it to you is I'll destroy this page and I'll reconstruct it, so you have a very easy idea of how such pages are built. So say we start with a blank page. In 2 minutes we're going to have the website ready, and just check how this happens. We'll just go and select, in the pages section there are a few templates. I'm going to select one which has a full screen. Maybe this one would do, and the pro ones you'll be able to access if you have the pro plan. Right now I don't need a pro plan because I'm just building something very simple. So say I insert this one, automatically if the account is linked, it'll pop in. If your account is not linked, you'll just have to go create an account. Automatically it'll redirect you there. In a few seconds you'll have the account and the page will populate here. It's a very easy WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get, kind of an editor. So say I just want, I don't want this section, I can just delete it. It's very simple. I can also go to the navigator and delete each and every section that I don't want using this. So say I don't want all of these columns. This section in which you saw the video is called the hero section. Okay, so we're going to edit the hero section. Here I'm going to search for one of my videos, just some random video. Link address, I'm going to come here in the hero section. So this is the layout. Here is where you edit what things are there in terms of the style and the color and the image. So I'm going to remove that image, I'm going to convert it to video. I'm going to add the YouTube video link, and I'll just hit publish for now so that at least this thing is saved. Now in this section, again, the next thing I want to see is, look at these options once you know it, it's going to be very easy. go to, I want this to be bigger, a little longer. So what I'll do is I'll just, that's okay. Yeah, height, I'm gonna select fit to screen. Okay, that's a little extra long, so I'm gonna select min height and set the minimum as, say, yeah, I think this looks okay. We don't need the navigator here for now. And then I'm just going to delete the rest of the things. I don't want to showcase it right now. Here now, if I want something, say I want to put some text, so let's just drag it, and I'm going to make the text color white so that you can see it. And just some simple things I'm going to write here. Okay, updating this, and we can try one more thing, that in terms of the design of the text, let's just, I need a heading also above this. Okay, and center align, no, the center. Okay, I'm gonna make it white. But this is not allowing the center align thing, so I'll just try one more method where I'm instead going to put another heading here, and I'll just, whatever text was written here, I'll copy it and okay, there's some, and center line this, and here I'm going to make it white again, and okay, this is a little too small, so maybe, yeah, I can delete this part. And now this is another simple part where the background overlay, the color, I'm going to make it black. So this is not exactly what it was. I was just trying to do something quickly, but you get the idea, right? And then you can also customize. I made a few mistakes also in between, and you saw how I was able to navigate through and get some other alignment. Probably this whole journey of building websites and stuff is a lot about, you know, doing a few arrangements when here and there, when you're not able to get the solution in a direct way, you just experiment and try a few more methods to get it.